Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about HTML list part 2 and I'll be talking about HTML unordered list. First of all, you have to know the definition of HTML unordered list. HTML unordered list can be defined as a way of listing information in an order and in an unordered or a bulleted way. Let me come again. HTML unordered list can be defined as a way of listing information in an unordered or a bulleted way. So first of all, I want you to know that we'll talk about two tags in the HTML unordered list. We'll be talking about the UL tag and the LI tag. And remember that in our last tutorial we talked about the OL tag and the LI tag. So first of all, let's talk about the UL tag. UL tag stands for unordered list, and that's an opening and a closing tag. So you can just write it down. Oops. It's in capital letter or uppercase letter. So after that, you have to put your list item, which is represented with the LI tag, and you can put as much as LI tag inside your UL tag. And remember also that in our last tutorial, you can put as much as LI tag inside your OL tag, which is the unordered list. But in this tutorial is so let's continue. So I'm just gonna write Vicsad, and here I'll write show Tolu, and here I'll write Bizo John. So I'll come back here, save it. You can see that it appears in a bulleted way. Instead of numbering it, it's putting a bullet, and the kind of bullet is putting there is called disk encoding. Disk is the normal default of the unordered list in bulletin list. So in this tutorial again, we'll be talking about another attribute, and it's the same attribute as the other attribute and as the attribute we used in our last tutorial. But I want you to know that in this tutorial, the values that this attribute takes are different, which is the type attribute. We talked about it in our former tutorial. So this is the type attribute. The type attribute in our last tutorial takes some values like the uppercase Roman numeral, lowercase Roman numeral, uppercase alpha, lowercase alphabet. But in this tutorial, let me list those values it takes. It takes a value called disk, a value called circle, a value called square, and a value called none. I think to be better for me to just put it down here. Disk, circle, and let's put square. So you can just jot it down as you are watching this video, because it will be better to write it in a note because of future reference and some other things. And none. So come back here, save it. Now these are the values that the type attribute can take, and I told you that the disk is the default. So let me just save this and refresh. Can you see it's not changing? Because why? Disk is the default. So let's take a look at another attribute called the circle attribute. Oh, sorry. Let's take a look at another value called the circle value. Can you see that the way it is bulleted is different? The way it is marked is different. It's now marked in form of circle. Before it was marked in form of disk. So let's take a look at the square, and I believe you know the way to be marked because by name square. Oops. So let's refresh. Can you see? It is now marked or bulleted in a square form. And the last one is none, and I know you know the name, because when we talk of the none value, we will go for the definition by name. No, it won't display any bullet, it won't be marked. So let's come back here and save it, refresh. Can you see it's not bulleted or marked? So I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and you can also visit me at my website. But I will let you know about my website maybe on true information or through some other network as Gmail or WhatsApp or stuff like that. But I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. Bye.